In this video, we're going to be going over the Marvel Universe variant play arts action figure, super high quality, super articulating, interchangeable Venom. We're also going to see if we can print this Venom using our Anycubic i3 Mega Printer. We are reviewing Marvel Universe variant play arts action figure designed by Hitoshi Kondo, Venom. This is a 2016 boxed release. Of course, these are collectible items, ATBC, PVC, which makes it super flexible, and the odds of it breaking are very, very slim. Now, we also picked up another Venom. This is a different version of Venom, so we're going to review this one as well. We also have Carnage as well. Previous to that, I purchased the Deadpool. The paint quality is good. The articulation is superb. A lot of the weapons are interchangeable. This is Venom limited color version. Play Arts is a registered trademark of Square Enix Company. SquareEnixShop.com. Far-reaching evils and oppressive forces seek to bend the world. Spin your webs, little spider. Venom is always watching, always waiting, always hungry. But let's open it up. We'll put this up. And then this slides out. And then this is where your base is. And this also includes information about additional weapons or interchangeable parts. Coloring is very closely related to Deadpool, as you can see. The quality is going to be pretty much the same, and their mechanism is also going to be very similar. These are the arms. And the first thing you're going to notice when it comes to these Kai toys is the weight. It's very, very substantial. If you're into posing and photography, you can get a lot of really nice results. The head turns, so the neck turns, it goes all the way around. But let's take this head off. Alright, so this is the head right here. So this is the sort of regular Eddie as Venom, and this is the angry Venom. Here's the head. The paint is really good. There's a lot of texture on the tongue, the heads, so the jaw sort of moves. Another thing that you can notice with these Kai toys is that the chest cavity right here, when you bend them back, it shows. Same with the shoulders and around here. So that's one thing that I'm not too keen of, but the quality and the mechanism and the fact that you can pose them in so many different ways makes it worthwhile to keep these. So the way this comes off is you take this, pull it, so there's pegs like this, and then there's holes in here, and this is very flexible rubbery material. I don't foresee this breaking at all, even these fingertips, which is really good. A lot of the cheaper action figures at around $30, they have cheaper plasticky ends, which are gonna break. So articulation wise, if you can hear it, so it goes all the way out here, all the way out here. There's another ball joint movement right here. So this goes, this goes past 90 degrees. The arm goes about 85 degrees, 90. Backwards, like it should go all the way around. Yeah, it goes all the way around, so that's good. When you bring up the arms, you can see this sort of a rubbery cavity here, so it's exposed. So I'm not too happy about this. This is what? This is probably like vinyl or something. So the torso turns on the top all the way around. It does, so that's good. It's a big ball joint, doesn't come off, that's for sure. You can see on the inside the cavity, which is I'm not too keen about. The bottom part, it also turns, so that's kind of good. So that way we can sort of like turn them as much as we need to. How about bending over? Bending over, it goes pretty low. Backwards, also pretty low. So the legs kind of go as much as they could. Okay, so it does bend here, then the foot bands and the toes as well, as you can see. That's the one thing about the Kai toys, is they have quite a lot of so he could basically do a dance. So he's not really too menacing looking, at least without the tongue. Let's swap out some of these hands here. So he's starting to look a little more menacing. So let's sort of set him up here. The thing about these figures is you can create quite exaggerated poses. So if we wanted to, we could take the head of Spawn and stick in a Deadpool. So now there you go. Oh, is it gonna fit? No, but you could kind of. Alright, so I pulled out the peg completely with my teeth, but you can use pliers. And we're gonna try and put this one in now. Oh yeah, now we're talking. Now this is much better. Much better. So let's take a close look at the details. So the paint quality is really good. I like the glossy look of the model. The interchangeable parts of the hands are great. The second head is actually much better than the first. The mechanism is really good. It comes with a box and a stand. Not as many interchangeable parts as Deadpool, but definitely worth it. Here's another action figure of Hellboy that I bought. And then these are our 3D printer action sort of figures that we're printing. So we got Thanos, Batman, Captain America, Darth Vader. We still got a spray, and there's Deadpool. So make sure you smash the like button
Right now. Move on.
I'll see you guys on the next one.